The woman who is standing near the gate is my English teacher. See, here this was omitted, and then in the place of after the noun, who relative pronoun is used. After the noun, who is relative pronoun is used. So like this, relative sentences and a relative clause will be given that you want to use. Suppose, and the next sentence if we see, and one more sentence I'll tell you. The meeting was held. The meeting was held in the town hall. Full stop. It was a great success. It was a great success. See, here we talk about here it. It refers to about the meeting. So automatically here it is which. The sentence is combined with which. It is a relative pronoun. Here the meeting and it both are the same. So automatically it is removed. Okay, when the pronoun, when the noun and the pronoun, when the both are the same, and the second sentence pronoun is removed or to be deleted. So here the answer is the meeting which was held in the town hall, was a great success. See, this is a relative clause because the relative pronoun here. And the same way, one more sentence I'll explain. I saw a man, full stop. His eyes were red. Here the relative pronoun whose. I saw a man, his eyes were red. So here this possessive pronoun is removed. See, I saw, then the answer is I saw a man whose eyes were red. So this is relative pronoun, accusative cases. So in this way you need to combine the sentences a relative pronoun. So here, my dear children, you remember this is a very, very simple. So first of all you have to see what was the word in the bracket. So what examiner is ask you in which relative pronoun that you want to combine. That is the first thing. So how many people are here in the second sentence? If there is a one person, when there are two sentences the same person, and the second sentence pronoun, whatever the pronoun is removed or delete, and there you have to keep a comma. And then where is the noun? In the beginning of the sentence, where is the noun? There you have to keep there, after the noun you need to use this relative pronoun, automatically write the whole sentence, no need to change the verb forms, etc., etc. So only you want to use this relative pronoun, that's all, and combine the sentence. That is very easy. Which, are, it, that, whose, whom, are. So these are the relative pronouns, and the relative pronouns of this is about in this lesson. This is the only grammar topic that you might have learned. You might have learned. So, my dear children, I hope you understood well, and you are following. You are following. If you have any queries, if you have any doubts, and please ask me. And already we had a group. So this is the point. This I could not understand. If you post me, if you text me, definitely I will explain you, because and physically it is not possible to explain. You are in some you are at home. So that's why use the technology. Use technology and clarify your doubts. So that will be useful, and text me if you have any doubts. Okay? Have a good day. And the most thing is, while I am teaching, you have to note it down each and every point. After you note it down, it is possible to ask the questions. Simply watch the videos. Simply watch the classes. No use. So while the class is going on, you need to note down each and every point what the teacher is teaching. What the teacher is teaching, you need to note it down each and every point. When you see the points, when you see the running notes, automatically the point which you do not understand, it is possible to ask the questions. So especially regarding grammar, you need to take and you need to note it down in each and every point. Okay? All the best. Thank you everyone.